On today's episode of Things That I Get Myself Into, we have a 2013 Lincoln MKZ. Friend called me last night saying they had heard like a weird noise coming from the back of their car. So I told them to bring it over. We checked it out. I didn't take anything apart just because it was really late at night. And so we went and bought some parts. We bought a caliper and some brake pads because I assumed that the caliper was wearing unevenly because of the slide pins, because the brake on the front part of the brake system looked fine. So we bought all those parts. Long story short, it got too late. We couldn't tackle it last night, so I'm tackling it this morning. It's 10 a.m. Took the wheel off, noticed both brake pads didn't look horrible, but I noticed that the rotor was actually digging into the caliper bracket. So what I did is I took the caliper and the caliper bracket off, and I noticed that the wheel hub is completely destroyed. It is wobbling to the degree that I can't even believe that she was able to drive the car, because it would have been severely vibrating and like just unbearable to drive in the condition that I found it. I'm not sure how bad it was before this happened, but it's definitely bad now. So what I'm doing now is I'm going back and I'm going to return the caliper and the caliper bracket, because I believe I can save what's on the car. It didn't dig into it too bad. I do believe I'm going to have to get a new rotor, because the rotor that she has is scored to Kingdom Come. So we're going to take care of that and hopefully solve this issue once I'm done with doing the right rear, which is the issue at hand. I'm going to go around the whole car, check all the other wheel bearings just to make sure that she'll have peace of mind, and this is going to pop up again on a different wheel. So yeah, wish me luck.
Oh, we love when things don't work out, don't we? All right. So this is the hub knuckle. Unfortunately, I think it is frozen or seized. I tried everything I could. I did a slide hammer. I did an air hammer. I did heating, anything I could think of. And my abilities are not good enough with what I am given. So we called the shop. They said they could do it for about $40, $50 if everything goes smoothly. If not, they're going to let us know, hey, you need a new steering knuckle or a knuckle, whatever you want to call it. So, yeah.
All right, so we took it up to a local shop and they pressed it out for us. I am now going to do a separate video where I finish cleaning. I'm going to replace the ABS sensor and put this bad boy back in the car.